Hey, happy summer day, guys. Wanted to hop on here and talk a little bit about what actually happens when I'm there for an in-home euthanasia appointment and the question that people have of will my pet be in pain? So I just want to explain a little bit about how things go so you can kind of relax a little bit knowing that the goal is to avoid pain and avoid fear for these kiddos by keeping them in their house and using medication to alleviate their anxiety and their pain. So, step one is administering a cocktail that has sedative, pain med, and anesthetic all mixed together, usually underneath the skin. And so, that's given with a needle and syringe, and it absorbs under the skin so that it doesn't hit them immediately, meaning it doesn't take effect right away. It takes a little bit of time to absorb through those tissues. So, they end up feeling pretty sleepy. And the goal is to take away their pain, take away their anxiety, let them relax and really just sleep. That way, when we are ready to do part two, which is the euthanasia itself into the vein most commonly, they're not afraid and they're not uncomfortable. So, what I do to kind of make that first injection go smoothly, if your animal's still eating, we often grab some treats that they love. Sometimes I bring them, sometimes we have things already there. Try to take their mind off of that tiny little poke. I would say 90% of the pets that I see, probably more, don't feel that needle poke. So I feel like I'm pretty good at sneaking it in there. We often, if they're not eating, just have owners love on them and give a lot of scratches and sensation around their face and their ears so that they don't focus on what I'm doing. So I really focus on trying to keep them distracted and not noticing that little tiny injection. And once that medication sets in, they are really out of discomfort. And we've done our job to make sure they're not feeling any pain.